trust myself to stick my phone out of the window because that goes fast.
You ready?
Okay. Yeah. Going on a joyride, guys, in a Corvette with my dad. Corvette wide. Right. Why did I say wide? It's ride. Let's go. Driving my car right after a beer. Corvette. That was fast. It's already a red light. We just got in. Meow. Gotta go fast. How do you turn here? Yeah, don't stop. I want the views. It's posting this on YouTube. I'm desperate for views and subscribers. Please subscribe. Is this a face reveal? Face reveal. Again. I'm chopped.
That's the Camaro that was popular when I was in school.
Dang, look at that. Dude, just turn left.
There's what your grandma wants, is that yellow one.
The yellow one. Stingray. It stabs you because it's a stingray. Yeah, guys, this is what joyride looks like in a Corvette. Really deep. Let's stop by Sandusky. Yeah, let's go to Sandusky in the Corvette for real. If I see Trevor, I'm gonna scream his name. I don't care if I embarrass him. Mom ain't here to stop me from yelling Trevor's name when I see him. She always stops me. I'm an independent woman, Mom. Not actually. Just messing around. I wonder when I'm gonna see Matt. That'll be cool. I must see Trevor so I can scream his name. Why does my camera look so out of focus? We are over here. Okay, I want my camera to focus.
similar to the one I had.
Nice.
Mine wasn't that nice, but
Dad, you're just not nice in general.
no, mine. It was before it was common to fix them up. You couldn't hardly find parts for it when I had mine.
Dang. I'll make sure to blur any children's faces. I will. We'll spend the time doing that. But I think my camera's too out of focus to even see. Going too fast. Well, okay. Fast is fun. Fun is fast. I must see Trevor. I need him. Tell me if you see Trevor, okay? That's my goal, just to scream his name.
I've seen him twice. Before I got caught back up with you guys.
Oh. I mean like in the car. I can scream his name in the car. Like, just take my head out the window like, Trevor! Like that. There's a child there, just moving the camera. Oh my god, there's so much children here. I see you. I see you. You're on video. You're gonna be on YouTube.